My family has been retailers in downtown Sapulpa all my life for, I'm going to say, 100 years. And I know how passionate my family has always been about our downtown. And seeing the decline in our downtown, I wanted to get involved so that we didn't completely lose our downtown. I think it has made people more aware of Main Street as a whole and has brought a lot to the community as far as trying to build a stronger downtown, whether it be through businesses or through events that we hold. It's made our community stronger. We do a lot more downtown than what maybe we used to in a different kind of way. Everything we do, even though it's a 4 points, it does revolve around economic development. And so working all the points, it helps bring businesses to the community and to our downtown. Got to have that pretty downtown because it's the core of the community. The amount of support that we get from both the state and the national is a huge help, because you're going to always run across something that you've never had to deal with before, and you've got someone there that you can pick up the phone, send an email, what do I do about this? We've never run across this. And so having that support is huge. Not every town is strong on historic preservation. Having those resources available to where you can help the building owner, the business owner, is invaluable.